It felt like my body was on fire until I discovered this, a powerful, natural way to calm nerve and joint pain without relying on harsh meds or risky procedures. Let me ask you something personal. Have you ever had days where your body just wouldn't cooperate? You wake up with burning or tingling in your hands or feet. You try to walk, but your knees ache with every step. Even simple things like opening a jar or standing in the kitchen feel like a battle. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. Millions of people deal with nerve and joint discomfort every single day, but very few find real relief. Why? Because most solutions out there only focus on masking the pain. They don't fix the root cause. They don't support your body's natural healing process. And let's be honest, most painkillers come with a laundry list of side effects. But what if you didn't have to live like this? What if there was a way to not only soothe the pain, but actually rebuild and support your nerves and joints from the inside out? That's exactly what I discovered in this review. I'll walk you through the natural breakthrough that's been a total game changer for people who thought nothing would ever work. The silent epidemic of nerve and joint pain, it all starts subtly. Maybe you feel a little numbness when you're on the computer, or your knees feel sore after sitting too long. Maybe your fingers start to tingle, or you wake up at night with a strange burning sensation. These are the early warning signs that your nerves and joints are under attack. But unfortunately, most people ignore them until the symptoms become chronic. Over time, the discomfort spreads. You might feel it in your legs, arms, shoulders, back, or feet. You may even lose grip strength or feel like you're walking on pins and needles. This is your body's cry for help. And the most frustrating part, you try to get help, but no one seems to give you real answers. Doctors often prescribe painkillers, nerve blockers, or anti-inflammatories. These might give you temporary relief, but they don't actually solve the problem. And that's because the root cause goes deeper. What's really causing all this discomfort? The real culprits behind nerve and joint pain are often hidden beneath the surface. Chronic inflammation. Inflammation acts like a wildfire inside your body. It irritates your joints, compresses nerves, and damages surrounding tissue. Left unchecked, it wears away the protective coating around your nerves, leaving them hypersensitive and inflamed. Oxidative stress. This is what happens when your body is overwhelmed by free radicals, unstable molecules that damage cells and tissue over time. Your nerves are especially vulnerable to oxidative damage, nutritional deficiencies. Lack of key nutrients like magnesium, B-complex vitamins, certain amino acids can weaken nerve function and slow the body's ability to heal. Poor circulation without healthy blood flow. Your nerves and joints don't get the oxygen and nutrients they need to function. This leads to stiffness, numbness, and long-term degeneration. Stress and sedentary habits. Constant stress activates the nervous system in unhealthy ways. Add in long periods of sitting, and you've got a recipe for muscle tension, joint stiffness, and nerve irritation. Here's the problem. Most over-the-counter and even prescription options don't address any of these root causes. But a natural science-backed approach might finally offer a better way. The breakthrough that's giving people their lives back recently. A unique blend of plant-based compounds and essential minerals has been gaining attention for its ability to support nerve and joint health on a cellular level, like common treatments. This formula doesn't just dull your pain. It works to calm overactive nerve signals, soothe irritated joints, rebuild damaged nerve pathways, support your body's natural anti-inflammatory response. Some of the key ingredients include Corydalus yanhusoo, used for centuries in traditional medicine. Corydalus helps ease nerve tension and reduce physical discomfort. It gently supports the nervous system without making you feel drowsy or out of it. Marshmallow root, think of it like a balm for your nerves. This root coats and soothes inflamed nerve endings and tissues, creating a calming, cooling effect throughout the body. California poppy seed, this powerful flower isnt, just pretty it, helps promote deep relaxation and nervous system balance without any of the side effects of synthetic sedatives. Magnesium glycinate. Magnesium is crucial for muscle and nerve function, and the glycinate form is one of the most absorbable types. It helps relieve tension, relax the body, and even improve sleep. Organic hemp extract supports the body's endocannabinoid system, which plays a key role in calming inflammation, promoting mood balance, and easing discomfort throughout the nervous system. Together, these ingredients create a synergistic effect targeting not just the pain itself, but the biological chaos underneath it. What people are saying after years of frustration, thousands of people are finally seeing results. I had tried everything: creams, medications, even physical therapy. Nothing worked. After a few weeks with this, the burning in my legs started to fade. I could finally sleep again.
Thomas M., the tingling in my fingers used to keep me from typing or cooking. Now I barely notice it.
I feel calm, rested, and back in control of my life. Rachel W., I didn't think anything natural would work, but I was wrong. This gave me relief without side effects, and that means everything to me. George L., how to use it for best results? Like any health solution, consistency is key. Here's what works best. Take 2 capsules daily with a meal. Stay hydrated throughout the day. Get light movement to boost circulation, prioritize sleep, and reduce stress. Most people report noticeable improvements in 2 to 4 weeks, with continued progress over time. Remember, this isn't a magic pill. It's a natural solution that works with your body, not against it, to bring lasting relief. Final verdict, should you try it? Let's be honest, if you've been living with nerve or joint pain, you've probably tried a lot of things that didn't work, so it's easy to be skeptical. But this is different. You're not just numbing the pain, you're giving your body what it needs to truly recover. You're using nature's most powerful healing compounds, backed by modern research and real user results. And the best part, you can try it without risk and feel the difference for yourself. Important reminder, before you order because of rising demand, there have been counterfeit versions of this formula showing up on third-party sites and marketplaces. Many of them are fake or worse, harmful. That's why it's essential to order only from the official website linked in the description. Click the link below to get started and experience the relief you deserve. Your body's ready to heal. Give it the support it's been asking for. Secure your supply now. Link in description.